Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the stacked shells stitch pattern. Super easy. All you need to know how to do is a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for a link on how to do treble crochets. So to get started, we want to do multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm doing a quick 16 chains plus 1 for a total of 17. Alright, we got our chains, so to get started we want to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we want to work 5 treble crochets, all in the same stitch. Alright, so we will skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we will work 5 treble crochets. And this will be our repeat to the end of the row of skipping 3 and then working 5 treble crochets into the next stitch. You can see it coming along really well. Alright, so we're going to skip 3 and then we are going to work 5 treble crochets in the next stitch. Skip 3, 5 treble crochets. Alright, here we are at the end. We skip 3 and we work 5 treble crochets in the last stitch. Alright, we have finished row 1, so for row 2 and all other rows, this will be your repeat for everything. So to start the row, we want to chain 3 and then find the middle post for the row before and work 5 treble crochets into that one stitch. So what you'll be doing is you'll be skipping all other stitches and only working 5 treble crochets in the middle stitch from the previous row clusters. So here we go again. In the middle stitch of the 5 treble crochet cluster, we are working our 5 treble crochets. Skip everything and find the middle stitch from the cluster from before and work 5 treble crochets. And just like the name hints for the stacked shells, you can see how the shells are always going to be stacked right on top of each other. And here we are in the last cluster from before, and we want to work 5 treble crochets. Just don't forget to start each row with a chain 3. And there you have it. That's how you do the stacked shells stitch pattern. Super easy and fun, and I think it looks amazing. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crocheted day.